Yeah. Yeah. It was a time we walked alone, each heart carrying its own load. Dreams were fading day by day as hope slowly slipped away. We watched each other rise and fall, yet built invisible walls. Not knowing every hand we turned away could have changed tomorrow's day. If we stand side by side, no storm can break our pride. If we choose love over fear, a brighter future will appear. All we need is you and me, standing strong as one family. All we need is you and me, together we can set us free. Your victory is mine today, tomorrow you may light my way. All we need is you and me, that's how our future's meant to be. A mother opened up a little store, hoping life would offer more. She smiled each morning at the door, praying customers would come. But people passed her every day, choosing somewhere far away, never knowing every dollar spent could lift the family from the pain. Let's keep our blessings close to home, help our people build their own. When one succeeds, we all can see a stronger, brighter community. All we need is you and me, standing strong as one family. All we need is you and me, together we can set us free. Your victory is mine today, tomorrow you may light my way. All we need is you and me, that's how our future's meant to be. A family struggled through the night, wondering if they'd be alright. The neighbors came with open hands, sharing food and sharing plans. Kindness carried them once more, opening another door. One small act of love can grow further than we'll ever know. Don't envy someone reaching high, celebrate them as they fly. The one you overlooked today may help you find your own way. Jealous hearts can only divide, love is where our strength resides. Gossip tears a home apart, but kindness heals a wounded heart. Lift your brother when he falls, lift your sister when she calls. Their success will plant the seed for every child that's yet to dream. A young dreamer had a plan, if you believed in what he had, then the community stood beside, giving faith another try. Now his business opens doors, creating jobs and so much more. One success became a chain, bringing hope again and again. If we build each other now, our children will remember how they'll inherit dreams set free, built on love and unity. All we need is you and me, one heart, one hope, one family. All we need is you and me, together we're our destiny. Hold my hand, don't let it go. Together we are stronger than we know. Every dream begins to grow when we help each other grow. Let's build businesses that last, leave division in the past. Let our children proudly see what love and unity can be. All we need is you and me, that's the future we all we need believe. Is you and me, together we can change everything, everything. When we lift each other higher, every dream becomes a fire. Hand in hand we'll always be the strength our children need to see. All we need is you and me, that's enough to change tomorrow. All we need is you and me, together forever, one community.